In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accessibility features on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're well-versed in website building or just getting started, making your site accessible is crucial for inclusivity and legal compliance. Let's make sure everyone can interact with your content as we dive into this straightforward process. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google by simply entering the URL. Once there, type Google Sites into the search bar and hit Enter. Click on the very first link that appears in the search results. This will take you straight to the Google Sites homepage. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see a variety of site templates or a list of your existing sites if you have any. For today's tutorial, choose a site from the list or start a new one based on your preference. After choosing your site, click on it to open it in the editor. Now that your site is open, look towards the top right corner for the settings icon. It's generally represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access a variety of options that you can configure to enhance your site's accessibility. From the drop-down menu, look for something labeled Viewer Tools. This option enables the viewer to customize their experience on your site. After accessing the Viewer Tools, you'll want to focus on enabling a couple of specific features to improve accessibility. First, click on the info icon within the Viewer Tools menu. There'll be a toggle switch next to it. Turn this on. Doing so provides viewers with additional context about the site's content, aiding those who might need a bit more information. Another impactful option you can enable is anchor links. Just like before, find this feature in the Viewer Tools and toggle it on. These links allow users to quickly navigate to different sections of your site, making it easier for everyone, but especially helpful for visitors using screen readers or those who find scrolling cumbersome. Adding alt text to images is another critical step. Choose any image on your site by clicking on it. Once selected, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your action menu. Click on the dots and select Alt Text from the options. Input a descriptive text that clearly explains what the image portrays. This ensures that screen readers can convey the content to visually impaired users effectively. It's equally important to use descriptive links. When adding buttons or hyperlinked text, avoid generic phrases like "click here." Instead, opt for descriptive terms that clearly state where the link will lead, like download the accessibility guide. This small detail significantly enhances the user experience for everyone. Finally, to ensure you've covered all bases, use an accessibility checker. This tool will review your site against known accessibility standards and point out any areas of improvement. Consider using a ready-made checklist specifically tailored for Google Sites to guide you through this process. By following these steps, you'll not only create a more inclusive environment for your audience, but also meet necessary accessibility standards. And there you have it. A simple but powerful way to add accessibility features to your Google site. This not only broadens your audience reach, but also demonstrates your commitment to inclusivity. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful tutorials.